Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To add /commands to your Discord bot using discord.py, you need to follow these steps. 1. Install the necessary packages. Make sure you have the discord.py library installed. You can install it using pip. 2. Create a new file for your bot's commands. Create a Python file for your bot and import the necessary modules. 3. Initialize your bot and /commands. Create an instance of the commands.bot class and initialize the /command class. 4. Define a function to handle the /command. Create a function that will be called when the /command is invoked. You can define the function using the @/ decorator. 5. Run the bot. Finally, run your bot by providing your bot token. Here is an example of a complete script that adds a simple /command to your bot. Make sure to replace your _bot_ token with your actual bot token. After running the script, your bot should be ready to respond to the /command /hello.